In a significant turn of events, pop sensation Justin Timberlake has pleaded guilty to a charge of impaired driving, a lesser offense stemming from his June arrest for alleged driving while intoxicated, that is DWI. The plea deal, reached before a Sag Harbor, New York, courthouse on September 13, 2024, results in Timberlake being sentenced to community service and a fine. Timberlake's legal troubles began when he was pulled over in June after officers claimed he exhibited signs of impairment, including bloodshot eyes and unsteady movements. The initial charge of DWI has been downgraded to driving while ability impaired, a violation that carries a fine of $300 to $500 and a 90-day suspension of his driver's license. In addition to these penalties, Timberlake must complete between 25 and 40 hours of community service. After the court hearing, Timberlake addressed the media, offering a public apology and using the opportunity to deliver a public service announcement about the dangers of drunk driving. His statement reflected a deep sense of remorse and a commitment to raising awareness. "I've had time to reflect on my actions, and I understand the impact of my mistake," Timberlake said. He emphasized the importance of making responsible choices, even after consuming just a single drink. "There are so many alternatives," he urged. "Call a friend, take an Uber, or use public transit." In his address, Timberlake acknowledged the community of Sag Harbor and expressed gratitude to everyone involved in the legal process. "I hope that by sharing my story, others can learn from my mistake," he added. His remarks came shortly before the family of Andrew McMorris, a young victim of a drunk driving accident, spoke out, calling on Timberlake to use his platform to advocate against impaired driving. Despite Timberlake's acceptance of responsibility, his plea deal has faced criticism from some quarters. Mothers Against Drunk Driving, that is MAD, has expressed disappointment, arguing that plea deals undermine the seriousness of impaired driving offenses. They have urged Timberlake to make meaningful contributions to the cause of drunk driving prevention. The court proceedings saw Judge Carl Arrrest voicing concerns about the initial terms of the plea deal, which he found inadequate. The judge insisted on adding community service to ensure that Timberlake's sentence reflected the gravity of the offense. "Community service is essential for taking responsibility," Judge Arrrest stated, highlighting the need for accountability. Suffolk County District Attorney Raymond A. Tierney supported the plea deal, noting Timberlake's acceptance of responsibility and his commitment to using his platform for public education. "Justice should be applied equally, regardless of a person's fame or fortune," Tierney remarked. Timberlake's legal team had previously contended that the police made significant errors during the arrest, asserting that their client was not intoxicated. However, Timberlake chose to settle the matter with a plea deal to avoid prolonged legal battles. As Timberlake continues his Forget the World Tomorrow tour amidst these legal challenges, his recent court appearance and public apology mark a significant moment in addressing the consequences of impaired driving. Stay subscribed for more videos.